Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Conditional Content for WooCommerce, creating and configuring content blocks. In this video, I will show you how to create and configure content blocks using the WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Content Blocks. This is where you will create and manage all your conditional content. To create a new content block, click on the Add New Content Block button. This works just like creating a new post in WordPress. You can add a title and then start adding your content. Let's add a title, Low Stock Alerts. You can type your message, add images, or even embed videos. For example, let's add the text, Hurry, only a few left in stock. You can also use formatting tools to make your message stand out. Next, we need to set up rules. Scroll down to the rules section. Here you can choose where the content will appear. Let's say we want this message to show only for specific products. Click on this drop down and select Products. Now, in Search for Products, search for your product and add it. There are several types of rules you can use. Specific products, show messages on selected products, product categories, display content for certain categories, low stock alerts, show messages based on product inventory, sales conditions, and display promotions during sales. Now click on the Add Rule Set button. Click on this drop down and select Stock Level. Let's set a rule for stock level. We will choose to show this message when the stock is less than 10. Now, this message will only appear when the product is low in stock. Once the rules are added, scroll up and click on the Publish button. Now, let's view the front end of a product to view our content block. As this product is low in stock, we can see our content block text. And that's how to create and configure content blocks. You can add text, images, and set rules to control when and where your content appears. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.